Hey, what's good everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run diagnostics on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now, this will involve your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Now, what you want to do is, to do this, go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, go all the way down till you find Device Care. Click on Device Care. Inside of that, scroll down, look for the Diagnostics tab. Tap on that. On the bottom, you will see Watch Diagnostics. It will also have your watch name there if it's already connected to your phone. As you can see, mine says Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I'm going to click on that. Now inside, they have 17 tests. 17 to 18 tests here. Now, the thing about these diagnostic tests on your watch, you're going to need your watch. So when you run a test here, you're going to immediately have to go to your watch to follow up on the test. So, for example, I'm going to test the vibration. So as you can see, it's asking me to tap vibrate. Right now my watch is vibrating. Then it asks me the question, did your watch vibrate normally? I click yes. Then it wants me to tap again. It's testing the vibration. It asks me the question for a second time. I click check yes. And it is registered on my phone as my Galaxy Watch Vibrate is working perfectly. Also, if I want to check for updates, I can do that here. As you can see, it goes to my watch and it tells me that everything is up to date. If I want to test things like the battery status, it's testing, as you can see on the watch, and it reports back to the phone that everything is normal. The capacity is 445 milliamp. It can also test the ECG, which is the echocardiogram app on your watch. If you're not wearing your watch, put it on your left wrist. Allow diagnostics to access the sensor data about your vital signs. Click allow. Put your watch on and then tap start. Rest your finger slightly on the button. It comes back registered that the ECG app sensor is functionally normal and it registers it on your phone. So those are a number of the tests that you can do on your Galaxy on your Fold 7 to test your Galaxy Watch and find out if it's functioning properly. Is there any issues or things you need to be aware of? So that pretty much does it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Other than that, catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.